races on Royal Jester from the outside. When Tang's Dynasty is running by the road, and racing in fourth, Sky Drifter fly like an eagle, and he is racing in between runners and racing 7th position. This is the favorite, made Bukas pa 8 Good Boss, 9th position Desmond, then on the inside Warlock, 4th last, 3rd last Lifetime, King's Reward, Beaumont, and Be Cool is running in 14th. Rounding the far turn, win by about 2 lengths now. Royal Jester, Tang's Dynasty, Airway, May Bukas pa racing in fifth by about 2 lengths, and still moving up now as they race the far corner. Win by about 2 lengths. Airway now in second, Tang's Dynasty. May Bukas pa is running in fourth, and down the stretch they come. 4 runners waiting for the lead. May Bukas pa burning the tracks, this time by about 3 lengths now. And finally, May Bukas pa. Airway, when Tang's Dynasty, Bestman's King's Reward, and for your Super 6, 1 Lightning.